To write these decimal numbers in ascending order means to write them in order of size from smallest to biggest. To start off, I am going to make sure that they all have the same number of decimal places. And to do that, I fill in some placeholder zeros. I see my longest number has 3 decimal places, so I'm going to make each of these numbers 3 decimal places. They all still have the same value, but they now just match in terms of the number of decimal places. Now I'm going to check each of our columns one by one. Now our units column is 0 for all of them, so that doesn't matter. Now we're going to look at our first decimal place, where we have some 3s here and a 4. It's not going to be the 4 first, so we've got to go to the next decimal place for the tie with the 3s. Well, here we've got an 8, an 8, a 9, and a 0. So this 0 tells us that this number comes first, and that is going to be 0.3 to start us off. Now again, we still have that tie with the 3, so we're going to still check our second decimal place. We've got an 8, an 8, and a 9. Well, we're tied between the 8s, we're going to go to the third decimal place, where we're looking at the 0 here as opposed to the 2. So our next number is 0.38. Again, we've still got our 0.3s. The next number is going to be 0.382. This 8 is before the 9. We then have one more of our 0.3s. Our 0.39 comes next. And finally, our largest of these numbers is our 0.4. And we're done. We put all of our numbers in ascending order.